Okay, so today is cleanup day. This is taken from the inside of our carport. This is my little temporary tool space in a covered area so that I don't have to worry about it if we do actually get some rain. This is the final frontier as far as what needs to get done yet. I have a bunch of drain pipes, actually a bunch of pipes that go into my future mechanical room, and I need to find a location for one drain pipe that takes water off the old portion of the house, since the new portion is going to be pitched and will block the water flow from where it used to come, where it used to go. So we call this the pit. It's actually the subfloor for where the new part of our addition. And today I have my concrete crew actually said they have a dump truck and a bobcat, and they will rent it at a nominal rate, and they will remove all of this dirt and dump it. So this was just a little dirt that we needed, actually is left over from the pipe relocation project. These 4 pipes right here were actually located in this path right down here for about 15 years. And when we decided to add on, I found a nice way of getting these pipes into the building, so it makes pulling a lot easier and more manageable than being underground. So this little bitty pile will leave, and everything that's behind the chicken coop hopefully will leave today too. Behind the coop, looks like I've probably got about 3 dump truck loads. Initially it looks tiny, but as you come around the corner, you realize just how big this pile really is. So let's take a look at our new stair. This is the walkway on the back side of the workshop, and I'm coming up to the back property line. This is where the work was done yesterday. I took a little time and watered it yesterday so that it would look good. I've got 2 drains. The one on the right's actually the active drain. The one on the left is in case I get some overall additional water. The left drain ties into the right. So, first time, let's do some stair climbing. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 steps. Now we're up above. This is the back corner of the property, less the orchard. I've got a little orchard up here in the back. So put that in a number of years ago. So now we can actually walk at this level all the way around. Kind of a nice view at this time of day. There's my 26 steps. And maybe not. I have to try out the other steps. Along the back side of this roof, there's actually a walkway. I need to put pavers in yet. That will come. And it looks like the water's gonna run the wrong way, but that's actually not true. Water actually will run down this way. This is a 2-step down, 2 steps, another step, 2 steps, and then a final step. I'll turn it around the other way, take a quick look. Hopefully it's bright enough for you to see. This is where we are. And there is actually another way. Here's the pile of dirt from the backside. Concrete mixer, bought it 20 years ago. Incidentally, August was 20 years of being in this home. And I'm still figuring out what I want to do with the chicken coop now that we are minus all chickens. Okay, I hear a dump truck on his way. So this isn't really supposed to be a footpath. This is supposed to be a not garden area, but flowers and plants. The soil type is perfect. I don't know if you can tell, if you take a look at the outcropping of rocks, we are in a very rocky area. A lot of the construction I've had to do has been brutal. Jackhammers of all types. Okay, this is the end of today's video. This is what the look is going to be like going into the home. Except when we put the new wall in, which if we take a quick look right here, here's the new wall. Both sides have something called, they will have strong walls so that I have enough shear to do what I need to do. On the back side, this went down all the way to the bottom grade, and I pushed this wall out at the very beginning of our construction. Once I start framing, I will add the 2 sliding glass doors temporarily until we actually do the next phase of development. I'm going to put 2 cheap Home Depot doors in. This is one of them. I'll put a second one in over here, and we're going to take a good look and see if that's really the style of door that we want for the next build. The next build will have a taller roof, so a taller headroom in the house, so these little doors won't do.